Have you ever wondered why you see so many Tide ads on your social media? Is it just a personal account promoting laundry detergent, or is there something more going on? Let's dive into the world of Tide and find out. Tide is a well-known laundry detergent brand, but it's more than just a product. It's a marketing powerhouse with a massive online presence. You've probably seen their ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But what's the strategy behind this? Is Tide simply trying to reach individual consumers, or is there a broader business goal? To answer this question, we need to look at the different aspects of Tide's online presence. Let's start with their social media accounts. Social media analysis. Tide's social media accounts are filled with engaging content, from humorous memes to behind-the-scenes glimpses into their operations. But are these posts purely for entertainment, or do they serve a specific business purpose? One key factor to consider is the target audience. While Tide certainly wants to reach individual consumers, their social media strategy also aims to engage with businesses. Many businesses, especially those in the hospitality and cleaning industries, rely on laundry detergent to maintain their operations. By targeting these businesses, Tide can expand its customer base and increase sales. Another aspect of Tide's social media strategy is building brand awareness. Through their engaging content, Tide can create a positive association with their brand. This can lead to increased brand loyalty and customer satisfaction. Influencer marketing. Tide has also embraced influencer marketing as a way to reach a wider audience. By partnering with popular influencers, Tide can tap into their followers and promote their product in a more authentic way. This can be particularly effective for reaching younger audiences who are more likely to trust recommendations from influencers. Business partnerships. In addition to influencer marketing, Tide has formed strategic partnerships with other businesses. These partnerships can range from collaborations with other brands to sponsorships of events. By partnering with complementary businesses, Tide can increase its visibility and reach new customers. So, is Tide a business or a personal account? The answer is both. While Tide certainly has a personal side, with their engaging social media content and influencer partnerships, their online presence is primarily driven by business goals. By targeting both individual consumers and businesses, Tide has been able to build a strong brand and increase sales. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.